Hi everyone, my name's Cathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today is Frugal Friday, so I'm hoping you're well, and I wanted to talk about the lovely tips and tricks I've had off the viewers this week. Really good tips this week, and thanks for all the positive comments. A lovely lady called Sue-RI50B has done some lovely comments on lots of my videos. Thank you so much, Sue. I really appreciate it. I did a crafting video, top 10 crafting tips. I'll leave a little link in the description below, and she came up with a great one, because I said about buying some men's shirts, because if you buy a big men's shirt it's good for getting fabric, and she recommended pleated skirts. I never even thought that pleated skirt would have lots of fabric. She's picked up some wool sometimes. She loves a tapestry kit if she can find one in the charity shop, and she buys clothes just for the buttons, because buttons are expensive, and she's so right, they are. Some buttons, there's a haberdashery shop we've got in our town centre, and they're over £10 for one button, and I'm like, God, and they're not even made of gold. And she said as well, she managed to sell some stuff on eBay. She had a £15 voucher, even better, and she got what she needed. How much of a bargain is that? Got rid of her rubbish and bought something that she actually needed with the money. So good. What else have we got here? Oh, this is such a good one. Katie Lee 9354. We were talking about the weather being cold and stuff, and she's come up with this one to keep colds and flus at bay. So she gets fresh ginger, cuts it up into little pieces and freezes them, and then from fruit, citrus fruit like lemons and satsumas and oranges, she cuts the peel into little strips and she dries them in the oven, and then she combines the two, pours hot water on them to make like a tea. So that helps with cold and flu, because apparently ginger's got antibiotic properties. So I think I might give that a try. Ginger and lemon sounds really lovely. Oof. I just wanted to say hello to Melanie Lester 92106. She says she's got an old house like mine and it needs fixing too. I just hope your bathrooms are falling apart like mine. What happens in the bathroom stays in the bathroom, as they say. Kerry James 9312, she's done some lovely encouraging comments this week. Thank you so much, Kerry. She said she can manage to make a little lovely throw pillow for $7.50. That sounds like a good price to me. Good on you, girl. What else have we got? I've had some lovely comments from Rachel Raw 144. A lady who's always supportive, always says such great. Oh, she's just lovely. Simone Dutch 558. If you're watching, Simone, thank you, hon. Nige Webb, who calls himself Taffy Nige, is very supportive too. Thanks, Taffy Nige. SJJ266. What can I say? Thank you so much. A big shout out to you, honey. She bought me 3 coffees on buymeacoffee.com. Thank you, honey. She must have thought, oh God, that girl needs some money. It's not wrong. But anyway, Amanda JC 2996, very lovely support and lovely. Thank you, honey. Frugal Queen in France always says positive things. Thank you. I like her channel so much. Always interesting to see. So yeah, generally I've had some lovely comments. People have been so supportive, especially over the bathroom. Shh, don't mention the bathroom. And I hope you could send me some more tips and stuff that we can have a nice gab about. Tomorrow I'm doing a video, tips from my nan. So my nana passed on years ago, but it was all the things that she used to do to save money. So I just thought I'd share them with you and see what you think. So watch out for that tomorrow. Thanks so much. Have a lovely weekend, and I hope you're well. Bye for now.